Hello everybody, welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to be showcasing my Animal Kingdom toy box. Now, it's been a couple months since I've shown my last toy box. Oh, we gotta get through security. It's been a couple months since my last, and that was last time we did Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios. But we haven't done the Animal Kingdom yet. And that's what we're going to do today. Let's just get into the main entrance. Oops, didn't mean to go there. I meant to be on this bridge. You see, for the popcorn stands, I substituted it with churros because the only popcorn is in the interior. There's no way I can put it out here, so I just put a lady behind there. Now, there's actually two gift shops here. There's the Island Merchant Tap. There's the, here it is, Island Merchant. I'm not really sure what the gift shop is, so I'm just calling it that. So here it is, here's the gift shop. Of course, I'm playing as Obi-Wan. Oh, we got Tonto from the Lone Ranger. Oh, Buzz Lightyear's here. Lightning McQueen. Not sure why he's at Animal Kingdom. Woody. Alright, so let me just get the store back to Animal Kingdom. Alright, I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright guys, we're back. Now time to go to the other gift shop. Right across. Now, oh yeah, I have all those toy boxes. I'm working on the French Quarter Resort and the Pop Century and Art of Animation. Let's go into the Discovery gift shop. already. We got Doofenshmirtz and Mr. Gibbs. Oh, we got Barbossa and Woody again. I think we're gonna go out this door. I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, guys and girls, we're on the other side. Now it's time to head to Dino Land. Alright, so like I said, we're going to Dino Land. Dino. Now about Disney Springs, we're gonna do that shortly. Yes, I'm okay. We're gonna head to Dino now. About Disney Springs, I have at least 45% of it completed. All I have to do is the east side and west side. And then we're done.
That's what my baby said. My heart starts pumping. Chicken, chicken, chew. Never gonna stop. Get you, means that I love you.
There's the ride.
You should give it to me straight. You said, it's what I'm talking about. That's what my baby said. My heart starts pumping. Never gonna stop. Get you, means that I love you.
That's supposed to be a diorama of the dinosaur.
That's what my baby said. Never gonna stop. Get you,
We can go in the door, it doesn't matter.
That's what my baby said.
Here's where you watch the preview, the pre-show.
I love you. I love you.
Let's travel to Dinosaur. It doesn't matter what place we get. It really doesn't. As long as we win the game. As long as we have written the ride, that's all. And that's fine. Yes, I'm in second place again. What, is this ride broken? I think the ride might be broken. You know what? Forget it. Well, we tried the best we could. Oh yeah, that's the Tropical Americas and the Encanto ride being built.
That's what my baby said. And my heart starts pumping. Never gonna stop. Get you cool. Cause I love you.
I mean, I was about to swear on my own video. I was literally about to, but I didn't. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video, maybe later. So, goodbye.